Imagine you finally get your hands on a pair of limited edition sneakers. You own that physical pair of shoes. You can wear them, display them, or even sell them. But you don't own the idea of that shoe. Ownership of a physical object is easy to prove with a receipt. But if you were the one who designed that sneaker, you'd need a way to stop other people from making exact copies and selling them as their own. That's where intellectual property rights, or IPR, come in. These are legal rights given to people or companies over the things they create with their own minds. These rights cover a huge range of things, from new inventions and catchy brand names to the artwork on a box or a secret recipe. IPR gives creators a way to control how their work is used. It ensures if you put in the effort to imagine something new, you're the one who gets the credit and the financial reward for it. To see how this works, let's take our sneaker apart. A single product is often protected by several different types of IPR at the same time. First, look at the technology inside, like a shock-absorbing sole. This is protected by a patent covering new inventions. It gives the inventor exclusive rights to make or sell it, usually for 20 years. Afterwards, anyone can use the technology. But you don't just buy a shoe for how the sole works, you buy it for the way it looks. The specific shape and pattern of the sneaker fall under a different category: industrial design. This protection is all about the eye appeal. It covers the visual appearance and ornamentation that make a product look unique and attractive to a customer. So for any physical product, there's a clear split. Patents protect how the product works, while industrial designs protect its unique look. Next, look at the logo on the side of the shoe. This is the most visible part of a company's identity, and it's protected by a trademark. A trademark is a symbol, word, or design that tells you exactly which company you're buying from. It helps a business build a reputation that customers can recognize instantly. While trademarks are meant to be seen by everyone, companies also have information they want to keep hidden from their competitors. These are trade secrets. This could be anything from a private list of the company's biggest customers to the specific chemical formula used for the glue that holds the shoe together. These secrets give a company an edge over the competition, but only as long as they stay private. They aren't registered with the government. They rely entirely on the company keeping them under lock and key. It's a balance. Companies use trademarks to shout their name to the world, while using trade secrets to guard the private details that keep them ahead of the pack. Beyond the shoe and its logo, there's the story the company tells to get you excited about it. This brings us to copyright. Copyright protects artistic works, like the music in a sneaker commercial or the professional photos on the website. It means the creator is the only one who can decide who gets to show that video or print those photos. If someone else wants to use them, they usually have to ask for permission or pay a fee. Finally, look at the materials. If the shoe uses a specific type of high-end leather known for coming from a certain part of the world, it might be protected by a geographical indication. This identifies a product as coming from a specific place where the local environment or traditional methods give it a special quality. It protects the reputation of the people in that region who make that material. When you look at our sneaker now, you can see it's not just leather and rubber. It's a collection of ideas, from its geographic origins to the video that sold it to you, each with its own legal protection. All of this might seem like a lot of paperwork, but imagine what happened if these protections didn't exist. If anyone could just take your best ideas without asking, there would be very little reason to spend years and millions of dollars developing a new medicine or a safer car. Because a competitor can't just copy that new sole, they're forced to come up with their own unique way to make a shoe comfortable. This push to do things differently is what actually drives technology forward for everyone. IPR ensures that creators and inventors get the credit they deserve and a fair chance to make a living from their hard work. Ultimately, these rights ensure that when you come up with a better way to build or design something, that idea stays yours. It gives you the space to grow a business and get rewarded for your creativity. So if you've got a great idea, make sure you protect it.